What's up guys, Jacob Rothenberg here, and in today's video I'm actually not going to talk about Kindle publishing, but I want to talk to you specifically about how you can make money while broke, like flat out effing broke. And I'm not trying to be condescending because believe it or not, it was only 10 months ago, I was actually $20,000 in debt. And, well, including the car, actually more like 40,000. But $20,000 in debt that had to be paid off quickly, rather. And something I had to do that was completely necessary was to freelance and make money. Aside from a full-time job that I had a full-time income, was making good money. But I really still wanted to have those funds available to run my publishing business. And what kind of saved my butt in being able to pay back debt quicker, aside from publishing, was freelancing. So I want to share some ideas with you guys on what you can do to make money either online or offline. So, and one of these is actually going to be pretty unique. So I'm just going to tell you right off the top the unique idea that I came up with to make $700 over in the summer last year as a freelancer. So I'm sure you're familiar with Fiverr if you've been outsourcing your covers, your formatting, etc. for your books. Obviously, you can go ahead and be a Fiverr provider of content. I decided because I have experience writing, actually as an author, as a real author, with powerlifting. I knew I could freelance and do like fitness and bodybuilding articles. Even though bodybuilding is not my expertise per se, competitively, I know enough to at least write intelligently about fitness and bodybuilding. So I started doing gigs, and I built up a good track record. I've always had 5-star work. And what I realized at this point was that, yes, I could write gigs on my own and make smaller amounts of money, or I can take on bigger jobs, like do 10 articles or 8 articles at a time, and I can actually arbitrage people on Fiverr to write the articles for me. So I had a reputation on Fiverr for like being a premium quality writer, if you will, because I'm USA based. I have a master's degree, and I could get away with charging more for my work because it's quality, honestly. So instead of charging like $5 for a 500-word article, I could get away with charging like $25 for an 800-word article, and that's what I proposed, and that's what made me money. But I realized too, like if people weren't too picky on quality, what I would do is I would hire someone on Fiverr for $5 to write a 500-word article. And then from there, I would add on my 300 words and do some editing and sell it for $25. And someone might say, well, Jacob, isn't that kind of iffy that you're providing work, you're selling it for $25, but you're hiring someone on the same site for $5? Well, maybe, but again, I did do my own additional work and some editing, and apparently everyone was happy with my work. Because except for the guy who gave me 4.5 stars, I've always had a 5-star rating. So so long as the customer is happy, what difference does it make? So again, to reiterate, what I would do, just to make this blatantly simple for everyone, is I would go ahead and like sell a gig on Fiverr. Let's go back to the homepage. I would sell a writing gig. Let's do it under creative writing. Let's just say here, I would sell it for $25 for my base package, okay, like this. And then when it came to buying it, I would find someone that started at like $5, just to give you an example, and hire this person to write me the words so that I could somewhat be autonomous with how I made money online. And then from there, of course, I did the editing and stuff and, tweaked it and sold it back to the original person. Okay? So hopefully that makes sense. And that's something you can do. And if we were to go back to my dashboard of what I've done, if we go to the dates, you can see even during the summer, I was making a good amount of money for about a month before my publishing business really took off, and doing this arbitrage idea was less of a priority for me, as it still wasn't truly passive and it took some work. Decided to just put more priority into publishing. But yeah, obviously, as you can see here with my numbers, I was able to pull off arbitrage. Okay, so that's one thing you can do. Now, if you live in the United States, or I think even in Canada, maybe even in the UK, there's a program that Amazon has that pays really well. It's called Amazon Flex. So let's go to the site here. Yeah, flex.amazon.com. Right now, towards the Christmas season, you are guaranteed pretty much $25 to $30 an hour. As you can imagine, a lot of holiday gifts are being shipped around and they really need drivers. So this is a program where you can freelance, believe it or not, with your vehicle as an Amazon delivery driver, where you go to a fulfillment center with your car. You use your phone with the app to scan packages, and then you deliver packages and confirm proof of delivery with your phone. And so you're given a route, say for 3 hours, and you're paid $75 once you're done. So this is something that I've done personally. Great program. It's something that you can really make actually a full-time job out of if you wanted to. Where if you take a 4-hour shift, that's $100 pretty much. And imagine getting 2 of those shifts a day if you're lucky. That's $200 in a day. So guys, if you're in a bind for money, or if you just want some extra income, this is not a bad idea. And this is something that I would do if I just weren't so darn busy answering questions and stuff and working on my business. This is a great program. So Amazon Flex is something that I like. The last one I'll suggest is DoorDash. So my preference between the two, I'll tell you up front first, which one pays more. Amazon Flex, generally speaking, will pay you more in the long run with daily earnings. Now, which one is easier? I would say DoorDash is easier, because with Amazon Flex, you are literally having to drive to 15 to possibly even 20 locations per route, and that means 20 stops in 4 hours, and that's a lot of work. I mean, it's not easy. It's not easy. So you're really earning their 25 per hour rate, plus wear and tear on your car. Now, with DoorDash, as you might already know, it's food delivery. And with DoorDash, you're making, with the bonuses and stuff, if you're fast, I was able to cap out at 20 an hour. And yes, it pays less than Amazon, but with the $20 an hour you're making, in 1 hour, you can really only do 2 deliveries. So you go to a restaurant as a DoorDash freelancer, again with the app, you pick up someone's food and you deliver it to someone's residence. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. And with that, you can make $20 an hour, in my experience, up to $20 an hour. So I'm not showing you guys this for any affiliate links. I don't have any affiliate links, just trying to help you all out, especially during Q4, or for Christmas. If you need some extra money for the holidays to buy people gifts, or for your own necessities, for your own bills, that's how you can do it. So guys, that's it for today. I just wanted to show something different and help you all with whatever you need to make some extra money, online or offline. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Otherwise, like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Take care.